Welcome. On this lesson, we are going to go over an NPER or time formula. So the question is, what is the time needed for an investment of $10,000 at 5% where the final amount is $20,000? So the first thing we're going to do is put in a calculation, the deposit, which is $10,000. And remember, it's negative. The rate that we know is 5%, which is 0.05. The cell is formatted at percent here, so if you leave it at general, it's 5%. If you format it to percentage, which is up here, then if we delete it, we can put in 5% as well instead of 0.05, and it's the same amount. Payment is going to be 0. We're not adding any money to this investment, and we do need $20,000. The type again is 0, so we'll calculate determining how much time it's going to be needed. So the formula is financial. We go down to NPER, which is here. The rate is 5%. The payment is 0, so we click the cell. Present value is 10,000. Future value is 20,000, and type is 0. So it's going to take us 14.2067 years. If you wanted to, you could go up here and round this down to 14.21 years. Now let me show you something really quickly. If you put this in at $10,000, notice we have a number error because either the present value or the future value has to be negative in Excel. So we think about it by putting in the present value, which is money coming out of your pocket going into the deposit, as a negative amount, and then when we receive it, it's a positive amount coming out of the bank going into your pocket. Okay, so that should be able to calculate NPER or time in an Excel formula. Thank you.